Ukrainian Bayraktar TB2 drone targeted and destroyed Russian landing ship in Snake Island. This came just day after a Russian Admiral Makarov frigate was sunk by Ukrainian army. Ukrainian Bayraktar TB2 Siha also destroyed several Russian military installations and equipments. Earlier this week, Bayraktar TB2 destroyed most of the Russian air defense systems located in Snake Island. Due to no air defense systems, Bayraktar TB2 destroyed all the military installations. Bayraktar TB2 was also used to locate and targeted Russian Makarov frigate yesterday. Besides Bayraktar TB2 drone, Ukrainian army also use variety of drones. As an example here, Ukrainian drone can be seen dropping small-size bomb on Russian military equipments in Kharkiv and eastern Ukraine. A T-72 tank, several BTR-82A, and other military equipment of Russian can be seen targeted and destroyed by Ukrainian drone one by one. DWN putting great effort to collect information and video footage to provide quick and accurate news. But due to low subscribers, it is very hard to maintain the news channel. We request anyone to please subscribe to our channel for more interesting and accurate video reports about latest developments in Ukraine. Russian army also using various types of drones during war with Ukraine. The most common Russian drones being constantly used in Ukraine is Orlan-10 drone. Orlan-10 is mainly used to guide missiles and rockets to precisely targeted Ukrainian army positions in Ukraine. Ukrainian army just yesterday alone destroyed more than 13 Orlan-10 drones in various parts of the country. It look awkward to say again, but DWN need around 100 subscribers. Please subscribe to our channel so that we may continue our efforts to provide quickly and accurate news reports.